Hi, so this is an inline duckbill check valve flanged model. So it fits between two flanges. They're the bolt holes. So install it in the direction of flow because it's a backflow preventer. It can also be bolted to a wall at the end of a pipe. This one in particular is to suit a 90mm hole, a 90 diameter hole. Available in a range of sizes and flange specs. This one is a Table E flange spec. EPDM rubber, available in a range of rubber materials. Available from Dewater Products in Australia. Thank you for watching.